Canada's Prime Minister Mark Carney hit the nail on its head in his own speech in Davos. It's time also for Europe to take down its sign. To acknowledge that this tectonic shift is here to stay and act with urgency. The biggest change in the fundamental reorientation is going on across the Atlantic, a rethinking that has shaken the transatlantic relationship to its foundation. The shift has been ongoing for a while. It is structural, not temporary. It means that Europe must step up. No great power in history has ever outsourced its survival and survived. Fragmentation makes us slow. It makes us weak. We need to change the culture away from thinking like nations towards acting jointly as Europeans. But addressing the capability shortfalls also means posing some rather tricky questions. What geopolitical role do we want Europe and the EU to play? Could we also think about establishing EU military capabilities